Hi, Allie. I'm Chuck.
Hi.
This is my wife, Ashley.
Hi, Allie. Welcome to Ivy Manor. Come on in.
Come on in.
Thank you. I'm starting my own journey with love and weddings. Can you tell me about your journey and the start of Ivy Manor?
Well, we purchased the property about 2 years ago. Ashley actually used to be a wedding photographer here.
Oh, wow. We actually had our engagement photos taken here
Yeah.
long before we ever had any dream or inclination of owning this place. We started our love story here. I love that.
The whole center, 7 or 8 acres, is really designed around a wedding venue. There are pathways that are brick lined with lights. There's trees and bushes and flowers from 40 different countries. They built a ballroom. There's a main pool. There's 2 mineral pools for wellness events. And then train tracks.
Wait, I'm sorry. There are train tracks just on the property. Wow, I am already in love with both of you.
We wanted to have a place that was a little bit different and more unique. Ashley had been requested a lot from brides to, how do we find a checkerboard dance floor? So we have a giant chessboard, and during the reception it becomes the dance floor.
Unbelievable.
We have the hedge maze that everybody loves.
It kind of reminds me of like a metaphor for dating, right? You're gonna make a few wrong turns before you finally get out to the other side.
Exactly.
Why don't we head out and show you the ballroom? That sounds amazing. This is kind of the main hub of all of our events that we have here. It's a very like multi-use space. It is amazing in here. I feel like a princess. Every single corner, it feels like a different experience. Yes, we wanted every corner of the house to be photographable. How many people can the house actually hold? Can I have my whole wedding party there? How many bedrooms? What's the kind of the layout? We have 8 bedrooms and we have beds for 20. There is 6 bathrooms, so everyone has their own space to shower, get ready. Yes, that's key. We have 2 designated getting ready areas. We have the bridal suite downstairs, which has a beautiful floor-length mirror. We have a hair and makeup counter that can accommodate 3 to 5. And then we have an extra space upstairs in the primary bedroom where we've had several brides get ready. It's full of bay windows. It has the best views on the property. We wanted every bedroom to feel like its own unique experience. We have a blue and gold room that you just feel like royalty when you walk in and you're just completely immersed in all of the stars and the celestial decor. We have rooms that make you feel like you were a writer that ran away to the woods to work on your next best-selling novel. We have rooms that you can only access if you know the secret bookshelf and the secret door. And those rooms are a little darker and moodier and a little bit more sensual if that's your vibe. We have this long bridal path. So the bride gets her own runway the whole way down. I'm obsessed with that. The ceremony field is kind of hidden no matter which way you enter it. The guests can't see the bride until she's ready to be seen. Unbelievable. So many unique, special details. Ashley, Chuck, thank you so much for showing me this incredible venue. I honestly feel like Alice in Wonderland meets Fairytale Princess.
You are so welcome. Do you want to go for a ride?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Cheers.
In this moment, I am holding you so tight. Can you believe our dreams have become real life? Let's dance away the night and stand the test of time. Can you believe our dreams have become